here. Now, here is my pressure switch.
If that main gas line switch, can it also be called a main limit switch?
No,
But it's not
maybe
that
it's
big.
with this one.
Okay, I must have got the wrong thing.
This has to do with the temperature, this has to do with the supply. So that's why it's a different, okay? So my pressure switch a tube, and then my induced draft motor, okay? Or induced fan motor. Induced draft fan motor, right here, okay? And by the way, all these units, for the most part, they will have same parts. Some of them will have a little different, depending on the make, manufacturer, design, and all those things. But for the most part, they'll be the same. All right. So then, of course, I already mentioned my exhaust pipe or flue pipe, and then this is my draft limit switch or sensor. Draft limit sensor. Okay, because there is a sensor in the draft right here. So this is my draft limit sensor. And then let me out to make sure I didn't miss anything. So as I come here, this is my main limit switch. Okay, this is my limit switch. And then I come here, this is my gas valve, main gas valve. Okay, main gas valve. And then I come here, and this is my gas manifold, and then this is my insert burner, and then this little thing right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. This right here. These are orifice, O-R-F-I-C, orifice, or actually orifices, plural. One is orifice, and the 4 of them will be orifices, plural. Okay, and then it's our burners, and then here I have my flame sensor, and I should have igniter. Here's my gas igniter, and then these are my flame roller switches. Sensors, roller switch 1. Here's one. 1, 2, and 3, right here.
And that's the same thing though as well?
No, that's a flame sensor.
Okay.
Okay, so 1, 2, and 3, my flame sensors. Okay, so I took it
Is
off
that the same thing as a flame rollout?
a flame roller switch, a sensor. Okay, so all three are flame roller switch. So I want to make sure I didn't skip anything here. Doesn't look like I did. Then I come here. Here's my safety switch. Then I come down, and here's my circuit board. Well, before that, I have my transformer. What it does is a step-down transformer, and again, as you can tell, this is common, white, the mistake I made yesterday. I burnt down my transformer and paid it from my pocket. And the common black, which is good, so this is inlet, it takes 120. Why? Because this is a gas furnace. So it takes in 120 and it puts out here, let me see, these two wires puts out 120, 24 volts. So it takes in 120, puts out 24 volts, and that's connected here, right here. Okay, and so from here it's going to these terminals, these called low voltage terminals. Low voltage terminals right here. Okay, so before I get to that, then this is my circuit board, my dip switch, and these are the relays. All of these are relays. This is where the high voltage goes in, and this is where all the neutrals are. So it got two sections. One is the high voltage, which is this one right here, and then neutrals. As you can tell, all the neutrals are connected in this area because there's a section for the neutrals. Okay, and then it got a cooling terminal on it. Should be somewhere here for AC, and then it got a heat. It should be right here. And if you remember when we were in the class, I was talking about AC and heat. For AC, it's high speed. Usually, more often than not, it's a black. This one right here. Why? Because we need to move. Let me see. Right here. This is black. That's for AC. Why? Because in cooling, we had to move more CFM, cubic feet per minute of volume, air. So that's why it's high speed. Also, the cool is heavier. Hot air is lighter, cool air is heavier. So that's why we need high speed BFM, blower fan motor. So that will be here, and that will go on cooling. Then of course heat, which is low speed, and also it's not it's lighter. So that will be medium speed, and they will be connected to high heat right here. All right. So now, and then of course I need since it's only 2-speed motor, I need to hook up only 2 wires, but it has 4 wires. So out of 4, no, actually it looks like a 5. Okay, so out of 5, black on cold, orange on heat, medium speed, high speed, and there'll be 1 more wire which is blue that I will put on park because I don't need it. So I will put on park, and then the other 2 wires which are brown, they will go on my capacitor, single capacitor, not dual capacitor, but single run capacitor, by the way. And that's right here. So those 2 browns will go here. Okay. Sometimes it has only 1 brown. In that case, you put 1 brown there, and you bring a power wire that will go to the other terminal because it needs a power. All right. So I got my capacitor, I got my circuit board. Now I'm getting back to my low voltage, my G, which is for the blower fan, which is initial for G, which is blower fan motor, goes on G. Then I got white, W rather. W is the initial for white, which is a heat, that will go on W. And then I got Y, like a yang, which is initial for yellow, and that will go on my yellow terminal,
Which is for cooling.
which is for cooling. Thank you. And then I got the red, which will go on R. R is the initial for red. There's a power, and finally I got blue. That will go on C. C is for common, and these are going to the thermostat. All these are going out to the thermostat and the condenser unit. So now I got all my low voltages, and remember